There was a boy who loved to sing, but he didn't know any songs. He would walk along the riverbank and watch the boats go by, and he would imagine that he was on those boats sailing away to far-off lands. He would sing little songs to himself as he walked, even though he didn't know any songs. And the sound of his voice was like the sound of the river, flowing and free. One day as he was walking along the riverbank, he saw an old woman sitting on a rock. The old woman had a basket at her feet, and she was singing a song. The boy stopped and listened. The song was beautiful, and the old woman's voice was like the sound of the wind chimes in the trees by the river. When the song ended, the boy clapped his hands, and the old woman smiled at him. "That was a beautiful song," said the boy. "Can you teach me how to sing like that?" The old woman looked at the boy, and then back at the river. "The river's my teacher," she said. "She is the one who taught me how to sing." The boy was confused. "But the river doesn't know any songs," he said. "How can she teach you how to sing?" "That is because you have not learned how to listen," she said. "The river sings many songs, but only those who have the patience to sit by the river and listen to her can learn her songs." The boy sat down on the rock next to the old woman, and they sat there for a long time. The boy closed his eyes and tried to listen to the river, but all he could hear was the sound of the flowing water. It wasn't very pleasant to listen to. He opened his eyes and looked at the old woman. She, too, had closed her eyes, and it looked like she was asleep. The boy thought maybe the old woman was right. Maybe he did not have the patience to be a singer. Just then, a bird flew down and landed on the rock. The bird opened its beak and sang a beautiful song. The boy and the old woman both opened their eyes and watched the bird as it sang its song. When the bird flew away, the old woman said, "Do you hear the song now?" The boy nodded his head. He could hear the song in his head. It was the same song that the old woman had sung earlier. The old woman said, "This is the first song that the river taught me. Do you want to learn it?" The boy nodded his head eagerly. So the old woman began to sing the song again, and this time she taught it to the boy. It took a long time, but eventually the boy learned the song. When he sang it, his voice sounded like the sound of the wind chimes in the trees by the river. The old woman smiled. "You are a natural singer," she said. "Now go and find the others who love to sing and teach them the song so that they, too, can share the gift of singing." The boy thanked the old woman, and then he went away. He walked along the riverbank, and as he walked, he sang the song that the old woman had taught him. The sound of his voice was like the sound of the river, flowing and free. He sang to the trees and the birds and the animals in the forest, and they all listened to him, and they all loved his song. And that is how the boy who couldn't sing learned to sing, not from a book or from a teacher, but from the river itself. You see, the river had been singing all along, and all she needed was someone who was willing to sit down and listen to her. And when the boy learned to do that, he became a singer himself. The end.